One, two, three, funk it.
What's up guys, it's Tracee Alexis and I'm back with a new video of a pattern beauty review. As I'm doing now is white my straight hair, so goodbye straight hair. And I'm going to be using the shampoo, which, well, not the shampoo that I remembered. Ooh, a little messy. So I just gave it a try on my roots first before anything else. And it was like a little less satisfying. See? Well, I looked at the reviews first before I want to try it on myself. And, well, the first wash, it was like a little irritated. But the second wash, it was like more fascinating than the first wash. So, yeah, I'm glad.
And I help it if I dream of you, if I dream of you, dream of you. And I help it if I dream of you, if I know I dream of you. And I help it.
Okay, so as I tried for the heavy conditioner, well, once I like sport it out, it looked like not like a conditioner type thing. It looks like, but I know it was like silicone-ish, so I have no choice but to give it a try because I never did a silicone thing. And I had to brush it out with the Pattern Beauty brush to smooth it out. See? Because I thought, oh my god, I thought it wasn't gonna work, guys. I don't know what I would do if it wasn't gonna work. See how it smooths out? And I was complete nervous putting the products in, even though it has a good flowery scent. So, yeah. Then after the conditioner aftermath, I rinse it out. It felt real smooth. Yeah, so after that, well, my curls look well defined, like in every piece. So I'm glad. So I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Shrinkage. Then I used the leave-in conditioner to apply my hair. Well, I saw one of the reviews that you could put leave-in conditioner in your hair, or you can rinse it out again, or something like that. But I don't want to rinse out, so I might as well have to put in the leave-in conditioner to give myself a try. And I brushed it out. Let's see how it looks. Well, it looks great. It's looking great. So after I applied the leave-in conditioner, I decided to leave it on for let it air dry for 2 hours, and then I give myself a little shake. See? So yeah, I gave myself some time to let it air dry, and then an hour later it air dried a little bit. It was a little bit wet, and I used my afro pick to make it look my afro a little bigger. But I don't want to mess up my curls, so.
I ain't been home in a week. I'm going off the gas and geek.
And then I used the hair oil serum, which I found it so, oh my god, it smelled like so good. It smells so good, and I apply it on for my roots and stuff. It smells like real flowers, and I love the scent. Yep, so there you have it, the Pattern Beauty review, which I liked it. I mean, the back of my hair, I mean, it's like less curls in it. I think because I used the pig too much, but hey, I still love my fro, so there you go. So I waited another hour because I was going to IHOP with my boyfriend, so I'll give the Pattern Beauty a 97%. Yeah, there you go. And this is when I came back, which it came out really big. So you can follow me on Instagram, it's Tracee Alexis, and Snapchat is CC Alexis 22, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!